Oh, wait. We're at Swaraj. I mean, they make the pav. This is not store-bought pav. They give a jalapeno. It is really spicy though. This is Puran Puri. My personal favorite was... Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. I live here in Bay Area, California. I am from Thane, Maharashtra, back in India. And I'll be reviewing Indian food all around the Bay here. And this video is just going to be about the best vada pavs that I can find here in the Bay. So let's do this. Our first stop today is Kadhai Kitchen. This is their vada pav. Let me open it up. Now all the vada pavs that I'm going to be trying are, as per me, the best vada pavs that I've had in the Bay Area. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any suggestions. So it comes nicely wrapped. Alright, as you can see, there's the vada pav, there's a nice fried mirchi, and then there's the crisps too. For a closer look, oh, wait. Looks really good. Alright, let's get this done. Alright, so this one really good. Alright, even the pav that they make, I mean, they make the pav. This is not store-bought pav, right? So this is fresh pav. It's really soft. The vada is also really good. It's like how you get in Thane. It's like, I mean, it's heavy on the coriander and it's spicy. Especially this chura, right? It's really crispy, fresh. The besan tastes really good. So overall, a solid vada pav.
Yeah, boy.
And I'm also going to be rating vada pav out of 5. This is how it looks from the inside. Yeah, really good. And so this one was for $7, right? Yeah, this one was for $7, which is the normal price for vada pav around here. And so this is a solid 4 out of 5 as for me. Alright, so we're at our second location today, and this is Annapurna here in Milpitas. So this is the vada pav. And I'm trying all the basic vada pavs, right? I'm not trying any chura vada pav or anything. So the vada pav at Kadhai Kitchen was the normal vada pav, but it still comes with, by default, it comes with chura. So this is the Annapurna vada pav. They give a jalapeno as mirchi. Right? So the vada, and again the regular store-bought pav, and add a little chutney in there. This vada looks really crispy. Right, set it up. Cool, I'm going in. Jalapeno. Alright, this is how it looks from the inside. You can see this is a little greener as compared to the last one, which was a little on the whitish side. So it's also really good. This one, I guess the same level of spice, but those people gave the chura on the side, which was and also the pav that Kadai Kitchen had. It set them apart. Here the vada is good. The pav is just regular store-bought pav. The vada is the same level of spice. The outside is crispier, the inside is very garlicky. I'd say a little too much garlicky for my taste, but again, I'm being too critical about it. So jalapeno, I really don't understand this logic. I don't know if it's a jalapeno or some other kind of mirchi, but I don't really get it. Regular mirchi is,
oh my god, bro,
super cheap. I don't know why they sell these. Well, I'll give this one a solid. Alright, I'll give this one a solid 3.5 out of 5. Alright, so this vada pav is for $4.94, $5. So now we're at Swaraj, which is a very old restaurant, very old as in it's been here for at least 4 years. So this is their vada pav. You can only get 2 vada pavs from them. I don't know why. You cannot buy a single vada pav. They have a green chutney, red chutney, and then you get 2 vada pavs. So let me open it up. You don't get chura from them. Then in here, it's their vada, the store-bought pav, and then they also give the red chutney. And their green mirchi is also some jalapeno mirchi, right? It's not our regular green mirchi, but alright. Cool. This is their vada pav. Their vada pav is really spicy, alright? So I'm not adding the red chutney by default. My spice tolerance is not really high. It's just, I'd say, average or less than average. Really hot. So yeah, all 3 vada pavs that we've had were like fresh out of I don't know, the oil or whatever. So they're freshly made. But it's not bad. It is really spicy though. I mean, too spicy for my liking. It would have made the chutney spicier, and this a little less spicy. But again, it's everyone's personal opinion. For my liking, it's a little too spicy. I think they could have gone a little heavier on the coriander. You can see it's green from the inside. There's no trace of coriander on the inside, so I don't even know if they have coriander in there. This is their mirchi. It's so there's no trace of dhania in there. So overall, this tastes like a vada pav that you get in Indian trains.
अबे साले.
Yeah. So this is $10, $9.99 for 2 vada pavs. So again, recently priced, but yeah. And for the rating, I'd rate this I'd give this a 2.5 out of 5.
Bruh.
We're at our next location today. This is Mumbai Express, which is a food truck in Santa Clara. And this is their vada pav. This is the regular vada pav. it comes with the good old green mirchi, fried mirchi, green chutney, their sweet chutney, and then the vada pav with that, dry chutney. Alright, cool. Cheers. Alright, so this one is also really good, right? It's a little spicier, not as spicy as that Swaraj, but spicier as compared to other options. And this doesn't come with any chura. The pav is store bought regular pav. Doda is really good. It has all the coriander, everything. This is how it looks from the inside. Let me show you. Yeah, I don't usually like these two chutneys, but well, this is also a solid vada pav. So before I rate it, this one costs $6, $5.99, which is again a decent price. And it's also fresh, right? The vada is made fresh. It looks hot out of the kitchen. And this one I rated out of 5. I'll give it solid 3.7. Because I want to place it in between Kadai Kitchen and Annapurna.
Oh, hell.
So yeah, again a solid one. We're at our next location. This is Puran Puri in Sunnyvale. Yep. So this is their vada pav. They give this dry red chutney and then the green chutney, and then the stupid jalapeno sort of green mirchi, right? But the vada pav is good. But again, let me try it now. I'll tell you. I'm having some red chutney. There. This is the vada pav. Closer look. Right, going in. That's how it looks from the inside. Right, so this one is also super good, right? This is something that reminds me, of how reminds me of my home. I mean, my mom makes vada pav like this, right? So it's really good. It's not too spicy. It has everything, like the coriander and whatever. The pav is store bought, but the vada is great, right? It gets all the basics right. The red chutney also is good, and I especially like it because it's not overly spicy. So third one, this one is for $6. This one is for $6, and I rate this a solid 4 out of 5. Yep, that's it. Alright, so we're at the end of this video. So I tried 5 different places. My personal favorite was Kadai Kitchen. I honestly didn't find anything wrong with that vada pav. It was just perfect. Right? So let me know if you guys have any suggestions in the comments below, and thank you for watching this video. Until next time.